Hey you all, welcome back to my channel. This is Tithi and I'm going to show you today how I achieved this look. I personally just love it how it turned out. It is suitable for all Indian weddings. You can never go wrong with smoky eyes. So if you want to know how I get this look, then please keep on watching. सो गाइज न्यू ईयर आ चुका है, तो इसलिए मैं आज एक पार्टी लुक या फिर आप कहीं भी घूमने जाओ वैसा लुक आज क्रिएट करने वाली हूँ. तो लेट्स जस्ट स्टार्ट इट. एंड फर्स्ट यू हैव टू टाई योर हेयर. सो एंड इफ यू विल स्पेंड योर होल नाइट आउटसाइड, देन you have to prep your skin well, guys. So for that I am using the Kama Ayurveda pure lavender water. Just shake it well and then apply it. So you can see how instantly it absorbs into my skin and gives me a nice clean glow. I have to hydrate my lips with the Laneige lip sleeping mask. The next step is moisturizer. This is winter season, so I am using a hydrating moisturizer. I am using Pond's light moisturizer. I will gently massaging to my skin. You can see the glow. The next step is primer, and for the party makeup I am using dewy base primer. So I am using Faces Canada All Time Pro HD base primer. This is the Faces Canada All Time Pro Ace of Base Radiance Primer. I'll take a little bit of it. And then I'll spread it on my skin. You have to focus mainly on the highest point of your face, like the cheekbone and the forehead area and the bridge of your nose and the chin. So after primer, next step is to conceal the darkest areas of our face. For that I am using Swiss Beauty concealer. So take a bit of product and apply it in your under eyes area, and then blend it with a brush or using a sponge. I am using a brush because it gives a proper full coverage. Always tap the product, don't drag it. If you drag, then the product will spread from the concerned area. So yeah, you have to blend it well. So I am done with blending my concealer, and next step is foundation. For that I am using Faces Canada All Time Pro Second Skin Foundation. It's in the shade 04 Sand. So I will take the product in my palm. I am using my finger to apply the foundation. With the help of a sponge I am going to blend it. You have to use a damp sponge, guys. Don't miss the corners of your face. So I have applied the foundation on my neck also, and I have blended it properly. So next I am going to run my concealer brush once, and then I am going to set it wherever I have applied concealer. I am going to set it with loose powder. You can see because of the primer my base is looking dewy and glowy. Now for the loose powder I am using the LA Girl Pro Prep powder. It's a dewy finish kind of powder. It does not give the matte look, so I am using it. Now my base is already done, and next I am going to fill my eyebrows with K Beauty eyebrow pencil. It's in the shade Hazelnut. So I'm just always go with small strokes. It it doesn't come with us fully, so that's the bad thing. You have to use your finger to blend it. So you can see the difference, guys. I have to do a little bit. For the eye makeup, I am going to use Makeup Revolution Flawless 2 palette. I am going to take the black color from the palette and pack it on my eyelids with the help of a flat blending brush. You can use any flat blending brush, and I am going to repeat this step twice to get that nice pigment. Pack the color until you are happy with the pigmentation. After that, with the help of a nice blending brush, I am going to blend the edges of my eyelid. Now I am going to take the same black color and pack it once more and blend it once again to get that nice tidy look. Now to give the look a twist, I am using Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow, and I am going to press it just with the help of a flat brush. I am going to use the blending brush to clean my crease once more. Now I am using Kiro Beauty gel liner, kajal liner, and I am using it in my waterline, and with the help of a smudger brush, angled smudger brush, I am going to smudge it to give my eye that perfect smoky effect. I am using Wet n Wild blush in the shade Mellow Wine. I am applying it in my cheekbones, and I also apply it above my cheekbones, like that area. Now I am using Body Shop mascara. This mascara is just good enough. It gives the perfect amount of volume and length to my lashes. Now I am using Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. I will apply the highlighter on my cheekbones, above my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, chin. I am going to use Lakme Absolute 3D matte lipstick in the shade Plum Space. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the final look, and if you try my look, then please #use karo guys, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.